Hop into the 2018 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, backup camera, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. You need practical, but you want fun. Don't miss out. Get the best of both worlds when you get into this super versatile Tacoma. Come in and meet our expert team. We know what it takes to give you an outstanding test drive experience.